Hey guys, alright, I'm doing a tutorial over the trick you guys just saw. I call this trick the twirl to twist. I don't know if there's really a name for it. I'm sure people have done it before, but that's just what I call it. It's a fairly simple trick. There's one little tricky part, and I'll go over all that. First, I'll just tell you guys real quick. Sorry, I haven't been making a lot of videos. I'm a full-time college student, got a family. I got a girlfriend, I work, and I have a dog that demands my attention, so I got a lot going on. But don't worry, my Balisong skills haven't decreased. I flip during all that. It's just I can't find time to make videos, so I'm flipping a lot actually. Just don't have time to record a video while I do it. So sorry about that, guys. Anyways, to the tutorial. Starts off forward grip position. By handle away from you, hold the safe handle. You do 1, 2 rotations. Put your index finger on the back of the safe handle like this. Bring it over, and then here's the tough part. Move your thumb from here to the where the opening of the channel is, and bring this down while turning it and bringing it up. So the whole trick looks like this. Sorry, one more time. That's how it's supposed to look. You end up like this. And the tough part, as you guys can imagine, is going from here, then grabbing it here and getting that twist in. So what I practice is just from this position, putting my thumb here and then just twisting it up. That's the hardest part of this whole thing. So again, forward grip position. 1, 2, 3, thumb on the back, 4. So you do it all nice and fluid. Alright guys, so hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Simple move, but it's fun to do. Good to add into your combos, and have fun with it, guys. Thanks for watching.